Title: Panda and Yellow Duck. In a peaceful bamboo forest lived a kind and gentle panda named Pogo. He loved to spend his days munching on bamboo and watching butterflies flutter by. Near the forest pond lived a cheerful yellow duck named Dilly. She loved to swim, sing, and splash in the water. One sunny morning, Pogo was walking by the pond when he saw Dilly crying. "What's wrong, Dilly?" asked Pogo, gently sitting beside her. "I lost my favorite red ribbon in the pond," Dilly sniffled. "It was a gift from my grandma." Pogo smiled kindly. "Don't worry, I'll help you find it." Pogo wasn't a good swimmer, but he carefully stepped into the water. He searched near the lilies, under the floating leaves, and even held his breath to look deeper. Dilly watched nervously. Suddenly, Pogo's foot got stuck in some weeds. He struggled a little. Dilly noticed and quickly paddled to him. "Grab my wing, Pogo," she shouted. With Dilly's help, Pogo got free, and they both laughed in relief. Then, right near the weeds, they spotted the red ribbon caught on a branch. Dilly quacked happily. "You found it. Thank you, Pogo." Pogo grinned. "And thank you for saving me too." From that day on, Pogo and Dilly became best friends. They helped each other, cared for one another, and always shared smiles. Moral of the story: helping others brings happiness, and true friendship is built on kindness and caring for each other.